If you think vegan chili has to be watery, boring, or taste like diet food, then you're throwing your money away on bad recipes. This week, I'm living off this pot. It's thick, it has that slow cooked meaty depth thanks to a secret ingredient I found for only $1.25. And it packs nearly 19 grams of protein per bowl. The whole pot cost me $5.90. Now let's cook. We start with the basics, onion and garlic. But here's the mistake most people make. They rely on beans alone for flavor. Beans are great, but they're bland. Add your chili powder, cumin, and paprika right now. Fry them in a hot oil for 60 seconds. This wakes up the natural oils in the spices and stops your chili from tasting dusty. Now that the base smells incredible, we add the texture. Here's the secret to a meaty vegan chili. We add the TVP before the liquid and the beans to absorb all those flavors. For the veggies, I'm starting with the roasted tomatoes we made in the previous video. Before I add my tomatoes, I'm going to use a little bit of ketchup. Now you can use tomato paste, but ketchup is much cheaper and it kind of mimics the same flavor, so try that. Here's a secret to robust, meaty vegan chili: soy chorizo. I use the whole pack. This adds concentrated fat, smokiness, and spices that spread throughout the chili. It creates that rich, fatty depth that most vegan recipes are missing. This is optional, but I'm going to add a little bit of sugar to the chili just to balance out the flavor. Now we wait and turn the heat down to low. We aren't just heating this up, we're letting those starches release to thicken the chili naturally. Give it 20 to 30 minutes. This is the difference between soup and chili. Look at that. It's not watery, it's hearty. But to make this a complete survivor meal, you need cornbread. This is my sweet vegan cornbread. It's moist and so delicious. You definitely have to try these together. I have a whole separate video on how to make this, and I'll link it below. This is how you survive winter on a budget. Here's the cost breakdown. $5.90 for the entire pot. That's 5 generous dinners for about $1 serving. If you're trying to survive inflation while eating good food, you need to check out my Plants on Pennies ebook. It's 30 days of meals just like this for under $5. I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe, and definitely share this video with friends and family. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.